Everything you believe is what you are exuding, and everything that you exude, you attract. I'm creating this video to share with you all the things that I stopped doing to grow my mortgage business and to attract the clients that I want and to ultimately create the life that I desire for my son Jay and I. Because there is a common theme amongst my struggling loan officers and realtors, most specifically my Black realtors and loan officers. And here it is. Put your seatbelt on for this one. Their business is failing because our people cannot afford closing costs, discount points, they can't afford the appraisal gap, or they can't qualify for a mortgage because of the higher mortgage rates. Keyword, our people. Why do you believe that our people do not have it? Now, let me be very clear on the fact that, yes, Blacks have been greatly impacted by things in America. You cannot deny that, okay? That is a thing. And you can see it clearly in the wealth gap, and you can see it clearly in homeownership rates. However, you have to be mindful that there is an agenda that is meant to perpetuate over and over again what we don't have. And so what is so mind-boggling is I'm talking to loan officers and realtors who have college degrees, who have a spouse, who have a house, who have a couple of dollars in the bank. And they themselves don't even see themselves as a target market. They don't even see a reflection of themselves because they 100% believe all the information that circulates over and over to remind us of what was, what has, what's happened. And so what happens when you believe that your community doesn't have much? You continue to speak to them as if they don't have much. Even down to, are you doing credit repair or are you doing financial literacy? And so then, like I said earlier in my video, people forget the middle. People forget because, once again, the agenda is poor, and then you have Black athletes and celebs who have multi-millions of dollars. Nobody ever talks about the middle. You don't even talk about you. Think about this. The people in the middle are the $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 earners. And yes, from a book standard, that's considered wealthy. We have thriving cities like Atlanta, cities in Texas. We have Charlotte. We have pockets in LA, pockets in Miami, pockets in New York City. So that's my point on mindset, and just cut it out. My next point are rates, you guys. Never, ever, ever sell mortgage rates. Why? Because you cannot control them. Selling rate is not a skill. And let me tell you, when you don't develop skills as a lender or as a realtor, your confidence is going to go ding, 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 ding. And I get it, because listen to me, rates are definitely a thing right now. You absolutely want to be competitive on rates. You don't want to be the highest. But who said you want to be the cheapest? As in the brand. Okay? You may be the cheapest behind closed doors. I don't know. But your branding, why would you want to brand yourself as the cheapest? Think about any large ticket items or services that you've skimmed on and you regretted it. So if you don't want the cheapest, why do you brand yourself? Why do you get caught up in wanting to brand yourself as the cheapest? Do you get the cheapest doctor? Do you get the cheapest lawyer? Do you get the cheapest? A lot of you guys don't even buy the cheapest shoes. My next point is marketing. So marketing to me really goes back to mindset, as in, even I notice it with myself. I don't know if you've seen some of my shorts. The ones that have the least amount of perfection are the ones that do the best, because I'm 100% showing up as my goofy self. So when you are marketing, the biggest thing you got to remember is, are you casting a wide net? AKA, are you trying to trap all or just trap some? What's that saying? If you market to all, you market to none. So listen, if you are a Kia, then market to Kias. If you are a Porsche, then market to Porsche. There's a scripture in the Bible. I don't know the scripture, but basically it says, an indecisive man is an unstable one. There's no right or wrong answer. If you want to be the top lux person, you want to be the budget person, you want to be the down payment guy, you want to be this or that. There's no right or wrong answer, but you have to create an answer. Otherwise, your business will be a freaking nightmare and people will be confused and you'll be trying to help everyone and you really are not helping anyone. And so my last point is that you have to partner with those who have similar business models. You have to be aligned on who are you talking to? Who do you guys want to work with? What type of services do you guys want to provide? Because listen, and I know lenders, we are always looking for new realtor partners, and I am open to new realtor partners as well. You guys know I am ready to lend in 48 states. But you guys have to be a match. I know we want to make money and close deals, but do not put the dollar first in none of this stuff, guys. Do not. Actually, maybe that's the takeaway with all of this, that your journey on producing more as a realtor or as a loan officer, it is not the dollar first. It is about all the character traits and the values. If you lead with those things, you are going to land with the perfect community, the perfect match for you and your business. So I hope that helped. That was my first, I guess, monologue on cut that out. Let me know if you want me to cover any other topics. I know this got kind of a little deep today, but this is a very real thing that exists and somebody had to say it. So drop me some comments on what you guys think below and I will be back with another video. Talk to you guys soon.